Hey everyone, this is Brad Dalinghaus, and this is a story about me and how we got here today. My story starts in a small town in northeast Kansas, a place where the horizon stretches endlessly and the community is tight-knit. I grew up on a family farm surrounded by rhythms of nature and the cycles of the season. It was a place where hard work, perseverance, and resilience weren't just values, they were a way of life. Every day was a lesson in dedication and commitment from the crack of dawn to the setting of the sun. There was always work to be done and everyone had a role. It never rained when you needed rain for the crops, and there was always droughts, but somehow farmers always made it work. I learned invaluable skills of adjusting to whatever life has thrown at you on a farm, but then also that things can break because we didn't have the fanciest machinery, we didn't have all the brand new equipment, so you're always repairing things. So you learn a lot about how to actually fix things and look at things at a broader scale of what actually happened and how to avoid those things from happening again. I didn't know it at the time, as I was growing up on this farm, that I was learning these skills that would later on help me in life. Fast forward to my high school graduation, a milestone that marked the beginning of a new chapter in my life. I found myself at Kansas State University, a place that opened up a world of possibilities and new experiences. Pursuing a degree in elementary education, I was driven by a passion to inspire and educate young minds. In 2004, I graduated, ready to take on the world and make a difference in the lives of children. But as life often does, it threw me a curveball. The path I had envisioned took an unexpected turn. In 2005, I stumbled into the foundation repair industry. Starting out as a general laborer, it was a world away from a classroom. But it was a new challenge that I embraced wholeheartedly. Little did I know this chance encounter would shape my career and my perspective on life in ways I could have never imagined. Our company motto at Dalinghaus Construction is never settle. It's not just a slogan, it's a philosophy I live by. You don't want to sit here and settle for mediocrity when you know you can do more. You don't want to settle for a dead-end job when you know all it's going to take is a few more hours of studying or learning or reading books to really get yourself to the next level and make yourself valuable. Like I said, it started to become a life model, and it's one of our core values within our company is to never settle. And that's what I want. I tell our employees, I don't want to see you in the same position here next year, and if the opportunity hasn't presented itself, make the opportunity. In the foundation repair industry, I found more than just a job. I found a calling. It was a field that demanded precision, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of quality. I also found a community of like-minded individuals who shared my passion for excellence and hard work. Together we tackled challenges and celebrated successes in the foundation repair industry. I rose through the ranks, learning invaluable skills and forming lifelong friendships along the way. Each day brought new challenges and opportunities to grow, and I embraced all of them with enthusiasm and determination. The camaraderie and sense of purpose I found in the industry were unparalleled. We were more than just colleagues, we were a family. As I stand here today reflecting on my journey from the family farm to the construction site, I am filled with gratitude, grateful for the lessons I've learned. The opportunities seized and the paths taken each step of the way has shaped me into the person I am today. Grateful for the lessons I learned. Even though my journey was unexpected, I wouldn't have it any other way. Every twist and turn has brought me to this moment, and for that I am thankful. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it inspires you to embrace your own journey. Our website, you can reach out to us. You can reach out, ask for me. I will give any advice I can when I can. But like I said, we want you all to succeed on your own journey. Don't feel like you're having to do this on your own. Take care, keep pushing forward, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish, and to never settle.